What if I told you that you could make a battery out of mud? Yes, real electricity from backyard dirt. The secret isn't the mud itself, but the bacteria living inside it. Specifically, electrogenic bacteria. As these bacteria break down organic matter, they release electrons, nature's own power source. We're going to capture those electrons using a simple device called a microbial fuel cell, or MFC. It's two chambers, one with mud and bacteria, the anode, and one with salt water, the cathode, connected by a salt bridge. The bacteria in the mud release electrons, which travel through our circuit, creating electricity. This isn't just a science trick. Microbial fuel cells are a real emerging technology with huge potential for sustainable power. Imagine powering sensors or even off-grid communities with just soil and water. Today we'll build a small-scale version, but the science is the same. It's eco-friendly, hands-on, and something you can try right now. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 plastic containers, mud copper wire, a carpenter's pencil table, salt water, and a paper towel. The containers are your anode and cathode chambers. Dig up some rich, wet mud. More microbes means more power. For electrodes, use copper wire and the graphite rod from the pencil. Mix salt and water for your cathode solution. The salt bridge is just a folded, soaked paper towel connecting both chambers. Grab a multimeter to measure voltage, alligator clips for easy connections, and a red LED to test your battery. Optional, an aquarium air pump to boost power later. That's it. Simple, cheap, and mostly stuff you already have. Gather your gear. Let's build. Time to assemble your mud battery. Fill one container 3/4 full with mud. This is your anode chamber. Extract the graphite rod from the carpenter's pencil and push it into the mud, leaving a bit exposed. Fill the second container with salt water. This is your cathode. Fold a paper towel into a strip, soak it in salt water, and drape it between the 2 containers as your salt bridge. Secure it so both ends make good contact. Attach a copper wire to the graphite rod negative terminal, and another to the salt water positive terminal. Coil the cathode wire for more surface area. That's your microbial fuel cell mud, salt water, electrodes, and a salt bridge. Now, let nature do its work. Place your setup somewhere safe and let the bacteria get busy. You've built a living battery. Now we wait. Your mud battery needs a few days for bacteria to colonize the anode and start producing electricity. Check progress with a multimeter red probe to the cathode wire, black to the anode. At first you might see only a few millivolts, but voltage should rise over a week as bacteria thrive. Here's what's happening. Bacteria break down organic matter, releasing electrons to the graphite, which flow through your wire. Protons travel through the salt bridge to the cathode, where oxygen completes the reaction. To boost power, add an aquarium air pump to the saltwater chamber. More oxygen means more efficient electron transfer. Watch your voltage jump as you bubble air into the cathode. This is real living electricity. Keep measuring daily. When voltage stabilizes, you're ready for the next step. Science in action, powered by mud. Let's see what it can do. Ready to light up your LED? One mud battery isn't enough, so build 3 or 4 and connect them in series, positive to negative, just like stacking regular batteries. Measure the total voltage. With enough cells, you'll get over a volt. Connect the long leg of your LED to the positive terminal, the short leg to the negative. If you've got enough juice, your LED will glow, powered entirely by bacteria. Here's the science: electrons from the mud travel through your circuit, lighting the LED while protons and oxygen complete the reaction in the cathode. Experiment with different muds, temperatures, or electrode materials to boost your output. Keep a log of your results. This is real science. You've just built a living, sustainable battery from backyard dirt. The possibilities are endless. Keep exploring, keep building, and keep asking, what if? That's the spirit of discovery. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.